Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Saturday approved a policy on archives, declassification, compilation, and publication of war and operations histories by the Ministry of Defense. However, declassification of older wars like the 1962 war is not automatic and will be taken up on a case by case basis by a committee to be constituted under the policy. According to the policy, records should ordinarily be declassified in 25 years. Records older than 25 years should be appraised by archival expert and transferred to the National Archives of India once the war operation histories have been compiled, the ministry said on Saturday. Ask about cases like the highly confidential Henderson Books report on the 1962 war with China and the Operation Blue Star of 1982, a defense official said a committee will take a view on earlier wars and operations. The compiled history on wars and operations within 5 years will be for internal consumption first, and later the committee may decide to publicly release whole or part of it. Considering the sensitivity of the subject, the official said the policy mandates constitution of a committee headed by Joint Secretary MOD and comprising representatives of Service, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs, and other organizations and prominent military historians for compilation of war and operations histories.